Alright, here we have an old ThyssenKrupp elevator here in Lancaster. Go to 3. Here on 3, I'm going to hide the corner here. Pretty basic pad, nothing really too exciting. Do like the flooring though, even though it looks really plain. Floor indicator, it's got a loud door buzz. Certificate, not sure when this door was installed because it's kind of cut out. These are your older traditional buttons, and here are 1. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Not sure this is ThyssenKrupp installed by Vertical Xpress. Anyways, that was a rather basic ThyssenKrupp elevator from the late 2000s. I know Alex, also known as Gen Z Trains and Elevators, has recently filmed this as well. There goes the elevator. There's a thing in place right there, the Moravian Center, I think is how you pronounce it. I guess that'll be it for this one.